Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alaba from Alaba the Unique Creations. I hope you guys are keeping safe. I hope you are well. Today's video we'll be making beef and garnish beef recipe. I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this video. As you can see, I've already put everything inside this beef so that I can parboil it before I'll move on to the next step. For now, I just have some onions and some garlic. You can see it there. I have some Maggi cube or bouillon. I have some thyme and salt. So I'm just going to boil this beef, this meat, then we'll move on to the next step. I'm just doing my best. So you still have to leave this meat to cook more because it's not ready at all yet. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use to garnish my beef. We have 3 colors of paprika or bell pepper here. We have yellow Scotch bonnet pepper, optional. We have red onion and white onion. We also have garlic. So, but before I garnish my beef, I'll first of all fry it a little bit first, very little. I won't allow it to be too dried. Okay, so we are going to do that next. Okay, I think this beef is fried to my satisfaction like this. Yeah, just a teeny bitty fried, so we don't need to fry it too dried or something. So for me, I'm satisfied like this. I'm just going to pack this up and set it aside. Then we'll move over to the ingredients that we are going to use to garnish it. Okay, so we'll be using the same oil to fry our vegetables, the paprikas and the onions. So we won't be allowing it to cook very well, so it's going to be crunchy. So I'm just going to add my onions and garlic first. Okay, next I will add my chicken stock or bouillon. Then I will add a bit of curry powder, just a little bit. Then I'm going to add paprika powder, just a little bit also, not too much. We use the big side just to give it that color. Okay, I'm also going to add some dried pepper, just a little, not so much, because I want some spiciness to this sauce or mixture, because it's not really sauce, but yeah, you understand what I mean. So I'm going to leave it to cook a little bit. Then I will just add my paprika, because I really don't want it to be too soft. I want that crunchiness. And you still see a lot of that paprika, onions together with the beef. When it's all mixed together, then you will see how beautiful it will turn out. We just want the onions to fry a little bit, then I'll add my paprika and pepper. It looks so amazing. For now, so next I am going to add the rest ingredients. As you already see, this pan is small, so I'm going to squish it afterwards, but I will just cook this vegetable all together first. So when I mix the meat, then I'll switch the pan. Okay, see how beautiful this thing is. It's so awesome. I'm already loving it. Look at that color combination. Amazing. So we're just going to leave that to all cook together for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Like I said, I don't want it to be overcooked. You can use this mixture. So I already switched the pots, the frying pan. So I'm going to now add my beef. Okay, and I will just leave it together to allow that beef to suck all the juice and the aroma of that paprika and onions and pepper. I'll just allow it to soak it and leave it to completely absorb all the liquid in this mixture. Then we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to reduce the heat, just allow it to cook all together. Oh my god, this, first of all, it looks so amazing. Secondly, when you are in this kitchen right now, you'll be forced to eat because your stomach will be asking you for food just because of this recipe. The combination and the preparation for me is amazing. It's very simple to do. This is something that you can just relax, chill out with your family. And by the way, it is a casual weekend. Like I always say, you don't need to spend hours in the kitchen just to prepare a meal. Something very simple like this, you can just make it for your family, your loved ones. It looks amazing, and I've tried it. It tastes delicious. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done that. Let me know what you think about this video today. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. Give it your best. Give it your best mark. No, this is, I really love this. You can use this to eat anything. especially rice. You can just also just chill out with your other half. If your kids like things like this, you can just make it for them with your other half and just chill out and relax and have fun with it. Enjoy yourself. Life is too short. Every minute must be appreciated. So don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until I come your way again, it's all about unique creations. Thank you for watching. Bye.